Today, we'll be talking about factors of 90. To find the factors of 90, we need to look for all the numbers that can divide 90 without leaving a remainder. We can start with the number 1, which is a factor of every number, and then check all the other numbers up to 90. The factors of 90 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45, and 90. These are all the numbers that can divide 90 without leaving a remainder. Now, let's talk about prime factorization. Prime factorization is when we break down a number into its prime factors, which are factors that are prime numbers that are only divisible by 1 in themselves. To find the prime factorization of 90, we can start by dividing 90 by the smallest prime factor, which is 2. 90 divided by 2 is 45, which is not a prime number, so we can divide 45 by the smallest prime factor, which is 3. 45 divided by 3 is 15, which is also not a prime number, so we can divide 15 by the smallest prime factor, which is 3 again. 15 divided by 3 is 5, which is a prime number, so we can stop here. The prime factorization of 90 is 2 by 3 by 3 by 5, or 2 by 3 caret 2 by 5. Finally, let's talk about whether 90 is a composite number or not. A composite number is a number that has more than 2 factors, and since 90 has 12 factors 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45, and 90, it is a composite number. That's all for today's video on factors of 90. We hope you found it informative and useful. Thanks for watching.